How to fix Spectrum app error code RGE-1001. Here are some useful tips for fixing Spectrum app error code RGE-1001. Basic troubleshooting *1. Restart everything *. This is the most common fix for many electronic issues. Turn off your Roku device and unplug the power cable for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Then, plug it back in and restart your Roku device. Launch the Spectrum app and see if the error persists. 2. Check for updates *. Outdated software can sometimes cause app malfunction. Here's how to check for updates on your Roku device. *. Press the home button on your Roku remote. * Scroll up to settings and select it. * Choose system from the menu. * Select software update and check if an update is available. If so, install the update and restart your Roku device. * Repeat these steps for the Spectrum app itself. * Highlight the Spectrum app on your Roku home screen. * Press the start button, * on your Roku remote. * Select check for updates and install any available updates for the app. Network connectivity issues *1. Verify internet connection * Ensure your Roku device has a stable internet connection. You can check your internet connection through your Roku device settings or try accessing a different streaming service app. If the internet seems down, contact your internet service provider, ISP, or troubleshooting. 2. Power cycle your modem/router * Similar to restarting your Roku device, power cycling your modem and router can sometimes resolve network connectivity issues. Turn off both devices, unplug them from the power outlet for 30 seconds, and then plug them back in one at a time, waiting for each to fully boot up before turning on the other. Spectrum app and account issues *1. Reinstall the Spectrum app * Uninstalling and reinstalling the Spectrum app can sometimes clear up glitches. * Highlight the Spectrum app on your Roku home screen. * Press the start button, * on your Roku remote. * Select remove channel and confirm the removal. * Go back to the Roku channel store and search for Spectrum to reinstall the app. Sign in with your Spectrum account information. 2. Contact Spectrum support * If none of the above solutions work, you might need to contact Spectrum support directly. They might have access to further troubleshooting steps. Solutions for the RGE-1001 error code. Additional tips ***. Check online resources **. Search online forums and communities specific to Roku devices or Spectrum app users. Other users might have encountered similar issues and found solutions you can try. * Factory reset. Last resort, if everything else fails, you can perform a factory reset on your Roku device. However, this will erase all your settings and downloaded channels. Only consider this as a last resort after backing up your data if possible. Refer to your Roku manual for data backup instructions. By following these detailed tips, you should be able to resolve the Spectrum app error code RGE-1001 and get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Remember, restarting devices, checking for updates, and ensuring a stable internet connection are often the first lines of defense for fixing electronic glitches. If the issue persists after trying all these solutions, contacting Spectrum support is the best course of action.